Snowstorms and extreme cold, a disasters training from Nonotuck Resource Associates. Welcome. Thank you for taking this training. It is one of many trainings that are designed to help all members of the Nonotuck community prepare for the unexpected. Snowstorms and extreme cold. Winter storms create a higher risk of car accidents, hypothermia, frostbite, carbon monoxide poisoning, and heart attacks from overexertion. A winter storm can last a few hours or several days, knock out heat, power, and communication services, and place older adults, young children, and sick individuals at greater risk. Winter storm warnings. If you are under a winter storm warning, find shelter right away. Stay off roads, stay indoors and dress warmly, prepare for power outages, use generators outside only and away from windows. Listen for emergency information and alerts. Watch out for signs of hypothermia and frostbite, and check on your neighbors. Prepare now. Know your area's risk for winter storms. Prepare your home to keep out the cold with insulation, caulking, and weather stripping. Learn how to keep pipes from freezing. Sign up for your community's warning systems. Gather supplies, including extra batteries. Create an emergency supply kit for your car that includes jumper cables, sand, a flashlight, warm clothes, blankets, bottled water, and snacks. Survive during the storm. Stay off roads. If trapped in a car, stay inside it. Limit your time outside. Wear layers of warm clothing. Never heat your home with a gas stovetop or oven. Avoid overexertion when shoveling snow. And again, check on neighbors. Older adults and young children are at more risk. Recognize and respond. Frostbite. Frostbite causes loss of feeling and color around the face, fingers, and toes. Some of the signs include numbness, white or grayish yellow skin, firm or waxy skin. To respond to frostbite, go into a warm room, soak in warm water, use body heat to warm up the site. Do not massage or use a heating pad. Hypothermia. Hypothermia is an unusually low body temperature. A body temperature below 95 degrees is an emergency. Signs of hypothermia include shivering, exhaustion, confusion, fumbling hands, memory loss, and slurred speech. To treat hypothermia, go to a warm room. Warm the center of the body first. Keep dry and wrapped in warm blankets.